Hello everyone. Hello Paul. How are you? So yes, this is my solution for homework number 14, I think. I'm sorry, I'm not fluently in English. I can't speak English fluently, but yes, I can deliver what I want. And let's dive in my solution. I creating two variables, expose, which is stand for exposition, and y position, and I give it an initializing value of 0 and 0. Yes, and by the way, it's the last code from the episode number 14, the lesson. Yes, it's the same code. And here, when I create my contours and creating for loop, I created a bounding rectangle because I wanted to return an x and y position of the rectangle, and easily I gave it to x position and y position, and finally I give it to I am show or cv2.move window. So yes, it's working. So if I run the code, oh, hello, how are you? And I have some problems. I don't know why, because some reasons that it can't track my object until I played with the ULO. Okay, if you see it's working, if I move to the, I think this is because the the height and the width of my laptop screen. Yes, so it's working. But if I move this red object uh, in front of the light, it's disappear. And if I back, yes, it's back. So yes, it's working. Thank you.